Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I was driving towards the store, headed down the road in front of my house. 2 houses down, I saw something sitting by the curb. So I stopped and took a look. It was a Workmate 200. It's a long ways from perfect, but it's not terrible. It's missing one of the rubber feet. It's got a pretty good cut right here, but it cranks back and forth. Got a little rust on it. Not easy to release the catches. I think I got to oil everything up. This is the first chance I've had to actually play with the thing. This is the first chance I've actually had to play with the thing. Now, as you can probably tell, I've got a few of them already. I've got 1, 2, 3 of them here in this shop, and there's another one, I believe, downstairs, and there's one in the garage. So I have quite a few of these Workmates. I really like them. They are handy. They allow me to do a lot of work in places that would be hard to carry a workbench to. This is sturdy enough to hold me, and that's 300 pounds, so that's pretty good. And I can stand on the platform here, work around, clamp things into the bench. Quite a handy thing to have. I like the little dogs too, and this one has a special treat. It has 4 of the dogs in it. So that makes it even better. I got this one Friday a week ago. It's now Thursday. I believe it is the 13th. So I got it Friday last week, but Thursday last week. And Lydia fell and hurt herself on Friday, so once again, this is the first chance I've had to play with it. I'm very pleased. I know you can buy these. Go over to the care. This one came at a really low price. It was standing by the curb, and I picked it up. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.